Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one of the best websites you can claim just clicking, and you can earn your BTC. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay guys, watch this video until end. Okay, let's get started. This is the website link you will find in description, and it's very easy. I earned this much BTC, and this website pay us 100%. Lot of people receive their payments, and I show you if I reach the minimum amount of payout I share with you. Okay, first of all, I tell you about the login in this website. Now you can register yourself in this website. This is the website. If you open your first box, you can find this much gems, and you can claim. Okay, this is very easy, and a lot of people like other people earning in here, show in here. Okay, this is right now online people, and just click sign in. If you're new, just click join now, put your username, password, and Gmail account. You can create an account. Okay, and I have already an account. Just I click sign in, just solve a captcha, and this one is crosswalk. Okay, I verify the captcha. Just click sign in, and you're right now in here. My level is level 1, and every 1 hour you can claim your 10 gem. Every level reach 5 gem increase. Okay, and if you invite your friends, your level will be increased. This is just easy. Just click the box, and the box show you the BTC you earn. Okay, and if you didn't earn anything, they show you didn't earn anything. Okay, and right now empty the box. Okay, like this you can click, and you can just earn. Okay, it's very easy, just clicking every time, and every hour I earn 10 gems. And if you are new, you earn just 5 gems. Okay, and that was good, and this is very easy. And I show you the withdrawal. Right now I have $38, and the minimum withdrawal is this much. If I reach, I can withdraw this much instantly to any address. Okay, you can put your wallet address in here. Okay, just put your wallet address. Okay, this is the Bitcoin wallet address. Just put it, just click submit. Okay, just paste your password. Sorry about the wallet address. Okay, put your password, put your wallet address, click submit. This will be submit. Okay, and this is very easy. Put your wallet address, and you can invite your friends. I invite 5 friends, and 4 of those will confirm it of the earning. Okay, and this is the visitor, this is the registration, visitor registration, confirm it, the worker, visitor registration. This is all people come from around the world, and they just registered. This is your referral link, share with other people. The next one is offer. If you complete any offer, they pay you it's, and you can earn it. If you complete all offers, they pay you this much. This is available offers. Okay, if you can complete, and they pay you much more. Okay, and this all offer if you complete this one. Okay, this the all offer, the rules to tell you. Okay, and this is very easy. You can go to trade, you can trade and you can earn much more from the trade. Right now you can beat the amount it's coming down or up. If you click put this will be coming down. Okay, after 5 minutes they told you what happens. Okay, looks I'm in money right now, and when I invest 1 gem, you can invest much more if you want. If this one go up, I lose my gem after 5 minutes. Okay, I leave this page like this. I share with you another ways. The next one is jungle. If you go to jungle, you can invest your beats and you can earn much more from there. Okay, like this you can beat your gem if you win, if you lost. Okay, and I go back to trade to show you how it's work. I win or I lose. Okay, and right now I'm in win. After 2 minutes is if this one come down, I win. Okay, just I'm waiting. Okay, the another way is you can earn to invite your friends. Okay, and the best way is inviting your friends. If you didn't have friends, just copy your referral link. If you have a lot of Gmail accounts like me, you can just invite yourself. This website will be allowed to invite yourself too. Okay, you can invite yourself and you can increase the level of this, and you can very soon you can reach the minimum amount. Okay, and you can invite yourself too. This is the way easy. Okay, right now I go to back to trade to show you I win or I lost. Okay, after 1 minute. Okay, right now I'm in win. After 1 minute there will be show me the target. Okay, now you can see your prediction was correct. You have earned 2 gem. Okay, I went 2 gem and I now reload the page, and you can beat much more, like 5 gem or 10 gem, and you can beat it and you can will be earn much more. Okay, this is all my B gems available. If you beat, you can double it or you can lose it. Okay, and this is all. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this website, just come here work and you can earn much more from this website. Okay, and this is all available other videos you can watch. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos.